Hey guys, in this video we're checking out Perchance AI, a free AI chatbot. We're going to see how it works, what it can do, and if it's really worth trying. If you like AI tools, stay tuned because this one's interesting. So what exactly is Perchance AI? Basically, it's a chatbot you could talk to online. You don't need to download anything and it's completely free. It's made to answer questions, chat with you, or even help you come up with ideas like stories, plans, or just fun conversations. Using it is super simple. You open the website, type your message, and the AI replies instantly. You can ask anything, for example, what's the weather today, or can you write me a short story about a cat? It's fast, easy, and works right in your browser. No accounts, no fuss. So here's what makes it interesting. It can chat naturally like a friend, help you brainstorm ideas for projects, stories, or even daily tasks, give quick answers to questions about almost anything. It's not perfect. Sometimes it might misunderstand a question, but it's a free tool, so it's still very impressive. So pros, super easy to use, no downloads or sign up needed, free and works instantly, can chat about a wide range of topics. There are some setbacks though, sometimes answers aren't fully accurate, so you always double check, and can feel a little basic compared to premium AI chatbots. So is Perchance AI the best free AI chatbot? If you want something simple, fast, and free, absolutely, it's worth a try. But if you need advanced features or super accurate answers, you might need to look at other options.